Providing loans and advances is yet another primary functions of commercial banks. Yes, the customer who puts deposits with the bank uses these deposits to mobilize in the form of loans and advances into different sectors of economy. Bank gives these loans and advances to businessmen and individuals as per their demands. On the basis of time, the loans can be divided as call loans, short-term loans, medium-term loans, and long-term loans. Call loans, as the name suggests, are the loans where the lender can demand to repay the borrower the loan whenever he wishes. So, whenever the lender demands for his money back, the borrower has to repay the money back to him. Those are call loans. Short-term loans are generally loans given for less than 1 period. Medium-term loans are loans which are between 1 year to 5 years period. The period of long-term loans are more than 5 years. The longer the duration of the loan, higher will be the rate of interest. Apart from this, commercial banks also provides overdraft facilities, cash credit facilities, and discounting of bills of exchange. What are overdraft facilities? Many a times the account holders are in need of money. So in their bank, there are some amount of money, but for specific transaction, they want more amount of money than the available amount in the bank. So if the customer has this overdraft facility with his account, he can withdraw more amount than the existing amount in his bank. In overdraft facility, there is not a financial limit for amount that can be borrowed. Cash credit is yet another type of credit services or loans or advances provided by commercial banks. Well, cash credit is a facility with the customer where it can borrow the funds from the bank immediately and he will pay the interest on the amount borrowed from the bank. In case of cash credit, there is a limit for amount which can be withdrawn from the bank. So in case of cash credit facility, the customer can avail the loan from the bank and whatever amount has been borrowed, only on that amount he has to pay the interest. Discounting of bills of exchange is yet another service which banks provide. What is discounting of bills of exchange? Discounting of bills of exchange means the producer makes bills of exchange with trader. So according to bills of exchange, the trader will have to repay the certain amount after the due date of the bill to the producer. However, producer is in urgent need of the money, so it goes to the bank. Bank discounts the bill, which means it gives the amount which is less than the bill amount, and that is called as discounting of bill. And bank keeps the bill and the producer gets the money against the bill. That process is called as discounting of bills. So, in nutshell summary, yes, one of the primary functions of commercial banks is to give loans and advances. Well, mobilization of savings into different sectors of the economy by way of loans and advances is one of the primary functions of the commercial banks. Bank gives these loans and advances to businessmen and individuals as per their demands. These loans and advances can be categorized on the basis of time in the form of call loans, short-term loans, medium-term loans, long-term loans. Apart from that, bank also provides facilities in the form of cash credits, overdraft facilities, discounting of bills of exchange, and so on and so forth.